it's Sarah from SaraRunAwayWithASpoon.com. I help kids ages 10 to 15 learn how to bake with online baking classes. And I'm here today to show you how to make easy cinnamon rolls. And the cinnamon rolls use crescent dough. Just angle the camera a little bit so you can see the work surface. There you go. So we can see the work surface. So I've taken just store-bought crescent dough and read the directions. I peeled the label, then I pressed on the seam, and pop, open they go, and took out the dough. I've cut the dough into two sections. Each has 4 triangles that I've pinched together. I have a little bit of flour on my workspace. I'm just going to give it a quick roll so that it all comes together. My dough, I'm looking for it to be a square about 1/4 of an inch thick. And there's a lot of flour on here, so I'm just going to brush it off. And I'll go ahead and give this a quick roll in each direction. This couldn't be easier. This is a little bit cheating because we're using the crescent dough, but it's a Tuesday night. Oh no, it's a Wednesday night. So we're looking for something quick and easy. So I've got it all nicely rolled out. And for fillings, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of butter, melted. I have that here. And a mixture of brown sugar and cinnamon. And I just scooped out some brown sugar and added some cinnamon to taste. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush this dough with melted butter. And then I'm going to sprinkle on my brown sugar and cinnamon mixture, roll it up, cut it, and my second trick, other than using the crescent dough, is to put each little rolled piece into a pre-sprayed mini muffin tin. So let me go ahead and sprinkle that with some sugar and cinnamon mixture. Much or as little as you like. I'm avoiding the edges a little bit so that it doesn't overflow when I roll it. So my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. I will use my oven when this is done and cook it for, I think it's 10 to 12 minutes, and then I can, once it's come out of the oven and cooled a little bit, I can top it. So let me just pull this out. And I want 8 pieces, so I'll cut it in half. Then I'll cut each half in half. And then half it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's just what I was looking for. And you can see these are nicely rolled little cinnamon rolls. Those are going to go in my muffin tin. You've sprayed it already, so in they go. We have 4. 4 more. And I'm just going to repeat the whole process and get those into the oven. And like I said, those are going to cook for, I said 10 to 12. It's probably more like 12 to 14 minutes. While those are cooking, I'll mix together my icing. I've sifted 3/4 of a cup of confectioner's sugar into this bowl. And to that, I'll add, for flavoring, a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of milk. I'm having some sort of message popping up. Hopefully this is filling for you guys. So then I will stir this and then spoon it onto each of these cinnamon buns. So let me review. We just roll out the dough and a little bit of flour. Then we add melted butter and cinnamon and sugar. And then we'll roll it in a log, cut it into pieces, put it in our mini tin, cook for 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees, and then top with our icing. So that's it for making super easy cinnamon buns on a weeknight. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do, check out my website and visit me at www.sararanaway.com. And while you're there, download my easy, ready, set, bake guide, helping you with some tips and pointers on how to get started baking. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.